हेलो एंड वेलकम टू एग्रीनॉनिमस। हम लोग वीकली करंट अफेयर आज करने वाले हैं। अप्रैल 21 से 24 2026 तक का अपन करंट अफेयर्स करेंगे। पहले नेशनल न्यूज देखते हैं। नेशनल न्यूज में है इंडिया टारगेट्स 100 GW nuclear energy capacity. Now India is set to increase nuclear power. We are doing this. We are set to increase nuclear power capacity from 8.8 GW to 100 GW by 2047. Because why? Because हम लोग को विकसित भारत बनना है। कब? हमको अपने सेंचुरी में विकसित भारत we are going to be in 2047. This is the major Niti Aayog agenda right now. And what is this act? This act is called Shanti, Sustainable Harnessing and Advancement of Nuclear Energy for Transforming India Act 2025. This received a presidential assent in December, replacing the Atomic Energy Act 1962 and Civil Liability for Nuclear Damage Act 2010. So कौन से दो एक्ट्स को रिप्लेस किया है इसने? It has replaced Atomic Energy Act 1962 and Civil Liability for Nuclear Damage Act 2010. Now, what this act allows? This allows private companies and joint ventures to build, own, operate and decommission nuclear plants अंडर गवर्नमेंट लाइसेंस। नाउ हमारा जो न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी था वो हमेशा से गवर्नमेंट के अंदर, हमेशा पब्लिक सेक्टर रहा है। ओके, वी हैव नेवर प्राइवेटाइज्ड इट, but now we are also allowing the private companies and joint ventures to build and operate under the government license। मतलब गवर्नमेंट लाइसेंस देगी जिस कंपनी को, वही कंपनी कर पाएगी। Indigenous 700 megawatt and 1000 megawatt reactors under development to aim to increase capacity to 22 gigawatt by 2031 to 22 gigawatt. Okay, so what we have to learn in this? We have to learn कि 100 gigawatt का nuclear power capacity हम target कर रहे हैं। कब तक target कर रहे हैं हम लोग? 2047 तक टारगेट कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। एंड शांति इज एन एक्ट। what this act has replaced, act has replaced Atomic Energy Act 1962 and Civil Liability for Nuclear Damage Act 2010. now ये एक्ट क्या कर रहा है? ये एक्ट प्राइवेट कंपनीज को अलाउ कर रहा है, जॉइंट वेंचर्स को क्या करने के लिए? बिल्ड, ओन एंड ऑपरेट डिकमीशन न्यूक्लियर प्लांट्स फॉर गवर्नमेंट लाइसेंस। डन। Now, the next news is that India hosts inaugural BRICS Academic Forum in New Delhi. BRICS, you all know BRICS, हम BRICS के एक member हैं। So, what the news is? The news is Observer Research Foundation. कौन सी foundation? ORF and Research Information System for Developing Countries, RIS, ORF and RIS, ये दो याद करना है, ORF and IRS. What they hosted? They hosted the inaugural BRICS Academic Forum during India's 2026 BRICS Chairship 18th Summit. We have the BRICS chairmanship this year, and we have hosted what? BRICS Academic Forum. Who hosted? ORF and IRS hosted. And the theme for this was building for resilience, innovation, cooperation and sustainability. Now this might come as a question, so remember this. What was the theme? The platform operates as a track to platform, bringing together scholars, academics, policymakers from BRICS countries. Now this is a very easy news. I don't think I have to explain this. Now the next news is ऑस्ट्रेलिया चांसलर मीट्स प्रेसिडेंट मुर्मू। ऑस्ट्रेलिया के चांसलर जो हैं वो प्रेसिडेंट मुर्मू से मिलने आए थे। नाउ ऑस्ट्रेलिया चांसलर का नाम है डॉक्टर क्रिस्टन स्टॉकर, विजिटेड इंडिया फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, मीटिंग द्रौपदी मुर्मू इन न्यू दिल्ली। 6 agreements were signed, including audio-visual co-production agreement, fast-track mechanism for companies, LOL on military cooperation, LOI on counter-terrorism, MOU on food safety between Austrian Agency for Health and Food Safety and FSSI, which is an Indian agency for food safety. Joint LOI on vocational training. Now these are the 6, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the 5 agreements that were signed. Here only 5 are written, but there are 6 agreements that were signed. And also India's Austria Startup Bridge 2024 and institutional cyber security dialogue was also highlighted. And next news is India South Korea unveil futuristic partnership roadmap. Now India and South Korea have unveiled, because the South Korean President Lee Jae-myung visited India few days back. So what happened? He visited, India after 12 years. I guess any president of South Korea visited India after 12 to 14 years. I don't exactly remember, but it has been some time. And 25 outcomes were announced after the delegation level talks. Now key highlights क्या है? MOUs covering ports, steel supply chains, SME, science, climate, cultural industries, India Korea digital bridge focusing on AI, semiconductors and IT. These are some of the important topics you have to remember कि किसके बारे में बात की गई है. Resumption of SEPA, upgrade negotiations, a trade target to increase. This is the important thing you have to remember कि हमने 27 बिलियन से 50 बिलियन तक का 2030 तक ट्रेड टारगेट लेके चल रहे हैं हम कि इतना करेंगे. South Korea also joined International Solar Alliance Indo-Pacific Oceans Initiative, while India joined the Global Green Growth Institute headquartered in Seoul. The year of India Republic of Korea friendship was announced for 2018 to 2019. Now the next news is Vice President visits strengthens in India Sri Lanka relations. Now कहाँ के Vice President ने India आए हैं? कौन से Vice President? श्रीलंका के 2D विजिट पे आए थे. ठीक है, हमारे जो वाइस प्रेसिडेंट सीपी राधाकृष्णन, he was there in Sri Lanka for 2 days. क्या रिव्यू किया उन्होंने? हाउसिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स, अनाउंसिंग एक्सपेंशन ऑफ OCI scheme and scholarships, marking phase 3 completion of bilateral projects. This was what happened. Now government notifies online gaming rules under PROG Act. Now government has not notified some online gaming rules. कौन से एक्ट के अंदर? प्रमोशन एंड रेगुलेशन ऑफ ऑनलाइन गेमिंग रूल्स 2016, द अंडर द प्रॉग एक्ट 2025 इफेक्टिव फ्रॉम May 1. इसमें गवर्नमेंट ऑनलाइन गेमिंग अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया भी बना है, जो कि अटैच्ड ऑफिस है. इट इज एन अटैच्ड ऑफिस अंडर मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ IT. So it's not autonomous. No autonomy is given to this office. It is attached office. Okay, and with members from House Affairs, Finance, Information and Broadcasting, Sports and Law ministers. Okay, why was this announced? This was announced after the case of the rape and death of an IRS officer's daughter in Delhi. After this was announced. The Culture Minister launches VM Frames filmmaking competition. Now, Ministry of Culture has launched the VM Frames to commemorate 150 years of Vande Mataram written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay in Anand month 1882. 3 categories. Reel का first prize है 1.5 lakh, AI films का first prize है 5 lakh and short films का first prize है 15 lakh. Now, the next news is government processes new sugar sector regulation framework. What is this? The Sugarcane Control Order 2026 proposes increasing mill distance to 25 km from 15 km and expanding regulation to ethanol production, bringing Khandsari units under regulation. India's ethanol production capacity stands at 20 billion liters under E20 blending. Okay. Now the next news is that India International Water Week 2026. What happened in this? Ministry of Jal Shakti will organize 9th IIWW 2026 from 22 September to 26 September 2026 at Bharat Mandapam. Now the theme would be climate resilient water management. 11 countries are expected as partners. The Jal Sanchay Jan Bhagidari Initiative 2024 has created 60 lakh water structures. Now this is something you have to this is important, you have to remember this. Now the next news is India strengthens heritage conservation. What is the news? The news is ASI safeguards 3686 monuments. India has 44 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Maratha military landscape added in, what was the recent addition? Maratha military landscape added in July 2024. Key laws includes Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites Remains Act 1958, जिसके अंदर ASI Archaeological Survey of India was established in 1861. Schemes कौन-कौन सी Adopt a Heritage 2.0 2023 Museum Grant Scheme and Indian Cultural Portal. Now, what are the state news? Let's study them. State news में India's first petroglyph conservation park is made in Ladakh. What is this? This is LG Vinay Kumar Saxena laid the foundation stone for India's first petroglyph conservation park in Leh. Nearly 400 sites in Ladakh contain petroglyphs. MOU was signed between Department of Archives, Archaeology Museum and Archaeological Survey of India. Now, next news is Shekha Jheel Bird Sanctuary declared as Ramsar Site. This is the latest new addition in Ramsar Site. Union Environment Minister Bhupendra Yadav announced Shekha Jheel Bird Sanctuary in Uttar Pradesh as India's 99th and UP's 12th Ramsar Site. It is a key stopover on the Central Asia Flyway. Now the next news is ESZ proposed around Bharasingha Wild Sanctuary UP. Now Environment Minister Eco-Sensitive Zone was proposed. 408.7 square meter eco-sensitive zone around Bharasingha Wild Sanctuary spanning Muzaffarnagar, Meerut, Harpur, Bijnor and Amroha districts. ठीक एवर रेडी कमीशन, ये कौन सी न्यूज है? नेक्स्ट न्यूज है एवर रेडी कमीशंस अल्कलाइन बैटरी प्लांट इन जम्मू. नाउ व्हाट इज द न्यूज इन दिस कि एवर रेडी इंडस्ट्रीज इंडिया लिमिटेड ने एक ग्रीनफील्ड अल्कलाइन बैटरी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फैसिलिटी जम्मू में डाली है विद 200 करोड़ इन्वेस्टमेंट. एंड JNK का LG कौन है? मनोज सिन्हा. नाउ द नेक्स्ट न्यूज इज मेघालय लॉन्चेस CM Inspire scheme. Now this state has launched the CM Inspire scheme. Meghalaya government has launched CM Inspire to provide 50,000 for UPSC prelims qualifiers and 1 lakh for mains qualifiers. ठीक है, उनको इतना पैसा दिया जाएगा. Now next news is Dhar selected under Safe Cities project 2026. Dhar is selected under the Safe City project. Ministry of Women and Child Development selected Dhar, Madhya Pradesh among 10 cities under Safe Cities Project 2026 with 10 crore allocation for 5 years. Now, whatever the schemes are there, we will study the scheme in some other video. मैं schemes के videos भी डालूंगी, जैसे आज मैं नीति आयोग का पूरा डालने वाली हूँ and we'll study schemes and institutions together. So yes, international news पे आते हैं. इंटरनेशनल न्यूज पे अपन को पढ़ना है ब्लू ओरिजिन न्यू ग्लेन बूस्टर लैंड सैटेलाइट फेल्स. नाउ व्हाट इज द न्यूज कि ब्लू ओरिजिन ने एक न्यू ग्लेन रॉकेट लॉन्च किया था, सक्सेसफुली लैंडेड इट्स रियूजेबल बूस्टर बट फेल्ड टू प्लेस ब्लू बर्ड 7 सैटेलाइट इनटू करेक्ट ऑर्बिट. नाउ द नेक्स्ट न्यूज इज नासा कंप्लीट्स असेंबली ऑफ रोमन स्पेस टेलीस्कोप. नासा ने रोमन स्पेस टेलीस्कोप का असेंबली कंप्लीट किया है. Final assembly Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope at Goddard Space Flight Center, named after NASA's first chief astronomer, and features a 2.4 meter primary mirror with a field view of 100 times greater than Hubble, which is also a telescope, and it was launched via SpaceX Falcon Heavy operate at Lagrange Point 2. Now the next news is Pakistan astronaut selected for China Tiangong mission. पाकिस्तान के एस्ट्रोनॉट्स को चाइना टियांगोन मिशन के लिए सेलेक्ट किया गया है. चाइना's manned space agency selected मोहम्मद जीशान अली खुर्रम दाद for Tiangong space mission. If selected, they become the first foreign nationals to travel to Tiangong. Currently, Tiangong is the only operational space station beside ISS. Now the जो कि ISS है इंटरनेशनल स्पेस स्टेशन. यूके पार्लियामेंट पासेस टोबैको एंड वेप्स बिल. यूके पार्लियामेंट में टोबैको और वेप्स का बिल आया है. दे हैव बैंड सिगरेट सेल्स टू पर्सन बोर्न आफ्टर जनवरी 1 2009 to create a smoke free generation. Okay, now Turkey has passed bill restricting social media for children under 15 year of age. जैसे टिकटॉक चाइना में बैन है अंडर 16 ईयर ऑफ एज, वैसे टर्की पार्लियामेंट में भी सोशल मीडिया एक्सेस फॉर चिल्ड्रन अंडर 15 इज बैंड, मैंडेटिंग एज वेरिफिकेशन एंड पैरेंटल कंट्रोल्स. नाउ बैंकिंग एंड इकोनॉमी से रिलेटेड अपन न्यूज पढ़ेंगे. इसमें है सिंगापुर टॉप सिक्योर ऑफ एफडीआई फ्लोज इन इंडिया. टॉप सोर्स ऑफ एफडीआई, हमारा एफडीआई जहां जहां से आता है उसमें सिंगापुर इज द टॉप सोर्स. नाउ DPIIT data shows India received 47.87 billion FDI equity inflows in April-December financial year 26. Singapore led with 17.6. This was the total FDI, and Singapore led with 17.6 billion, which was 37%. Followed by US, which was 7.8 billion, 16%. Then Mauritius comes there. And then computer software and hardware sector received 22%, which was the highest, and Maharashtra received the highest inflows of 15.38 billion. इसमें क्या क्या याद करना है? टोटल याद करना है. हाईएस्ट सिंगापुर से आया है, देन यूएस से आया है, देन मॉरिशस से आया है. कौन से सेक्टर में सबसे ज्यादा है? कंप्यूटर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर हार्डवेयर सेक्टर में ज्यादा है. और कौन से स्टेट में सबसे ज्यादा है? महाराष्ट्र में सबसे ज्यादा है. ओके, डन. दिस न्यूज इज डन. नाउ द नेक्स्ट न्यूज इज सीबीआई लॉन्चेस अभय चैटबॉट. Now what is this? कि सीबीआई ने AI powered chatbot अभय लॉन्च किया है to help citizens verify notices and prevent digital arrest frauds. This was launched by Chief Justice Suryakant during 22nd DP Kohli Memorial Lecture. Now the next news is MCX. MCX gets SEBI approval for coal exchange. MCX को SEBI अप्रूवल मिल गया to establish a subsidiary coal exchange, MCX Coal Exchange Limited. It will hold 100% stake with up to 100 crore rupees committed. Coal Controller Organization was established in 1916. We have to learn this. Okay. Now, what is the SBI target for GDP? SBI targets 25% of GDP balance sheet by 2030. Now what is the news कि SBI प्लान कर रहा है एक्सपेंड करने का इसकी बैलेंस शीट को 20% से 25% of GDP by 2030, as it plans to increase market share by 1% in each of 800 districts by financial year 27. Also to improve global market cap ranking from 27 to top 10 and deploy Seva Sathis in 10,000 branches. It serves 53 crore customers through 23,125 domestic and 244 foreign branches. Now, next news is India Bhutan 7th Customs Cooperation meeting was held. 7th JGC meeting was held in Munnar, Kerala. It accounts for 80% of India accounts for 80% of Bhutan total trade. Bilateral trade exceeds by 1.9 billion in financial year 2024-25 with 46% of growth. Now the next news is कि FedEx completes intra-city drone delivery trials. Now FedEx has completed this India's first intra-city drone delivery trials in Bangalore with IIT मद्रास. FedEx में ड्रोन से कैसे होम डिलीवरी हो सकती है वो करके दिखाया है. कर्नाटका बैंक पार्टनर्स विद पाइन लैब्स. कर्नाटका बैंक ने पाइन लैब्स के साथ पार्टनरशिप की है to provide POS machines for digital payments. Now the NBBL adds postal life insurance on Bharat Connect. NBBL ने postal life insurance Bharat Connect में डाला है. Onboarded postal life insurance as a biller on Bharat Connect. SBI acts as the biller operating unit. It will act as a biller operating unit. BOU. ADNIC receives reinsurance license in Gift City. व्हाट इज द न्यूज, अबू धाबी नेशनल इंश्योरेंस कंपनी को री इंश्योरेंस लाइसेंस मिल गया है गिफ्ट सिटी में, इंडिया फर्स्ट आईएफसी, and effective from April 1, 2026. MD and CEO is Sanjay Kaul, Chairman nominee of Gujarat government, Uday Kotak. Then Tata Steel to deploy, what is the news? Tata Steel to deploy easy melt low carbon technology. What is this? Tata Steel has signed agreement with Paul Worth SA, part of SMS Group GmbH Germany, for easy melt technology at its Jamshedpur plant to reduce carbon emission by 50%. Okay. Now India textile export rise despite US tariffs. India का textile export बढ़ा है, कितना बड़ा है? 2.1%, 3.16 लाख करोड़ इन फाइनेंशियल ईयर 25-26. यूएस टैरिफ भी बढ़ गया है हमारा. एंड सूडान रिकॉर्डेड हाईएस्ट ग्रोथ ऑफ 205.6% among key markets. Now India's fiscal deficit may rise in financial year 27. फिच बीएमआई ने प्रोजेक्ट किया है, ये किसने प्रोजेक्ट किया है? फिच बीएमआई ने प्रोजेक्ट किया है कि हमारा जो इंडिया फिस्कल है वो 4.5% से बढ़ सकता है, 4.5%, जो कि हमारा टारगेट 4.3% है, तो 4.5% हो सकता है. ठीक है. नाउ पीएनबी पार्टनर्स कीवी टू लॉन्च क्रेडिट यूपीआई कार्ड. क्रेडिट की यूपीआई कार्ड बनने वाले हैं. पंजाब नेशनल बैंक ने कीवी के साथ पार्टनर किया है टू लॉन्च पीएनबी कीवी क्रेडिट कार्ड ऑन रुपे नेटवर्क फॉर 180 मिलियन कस्टमर्स. ठीक है. Now the next news is RBI highlights Indian economic stability. अभी अभी आरबीआई की एमपीसी मीटिंग भी हुई है, आपने करंट अफेयर में उसको पढ़ा है. तो आरबीआई के संजय मल्होत्रा ने एड्रेस किया है राउंड टेबल होस्टेड बाय कंसल्टेंट जनरल ऑफ इंडिया इन न्यूयॉर्क. इंडिया मेंटेन्स अ फॉरेक्स रिजर्व ऑफ USD 700 बिलियन. करंट अकाउंट डेफिसिट है 1.1% ऑफ जीडीपी, जो कि हमने पढ़ा है करंट अफेयर में कि वो शायद 2.1% हो सकता है. इट इज said that can go 2.1% due to West Asia conflicts, and inflation target is 4%, जो कि बार 2% कम हो सकता है, 2% ज्यादा हो सकता है. Now reports and indices के ऊपर पढ़ेंगे. रिपोर्ट्स, यूनेस्को रिपोर्ट निकली है. 90% of world heritage sites are in danger. Nearly 90% of UNESCO designated face growing risk due to climate change and human impact. Reports highlights 2,260 sites covering 13 million square meter, supporting 900 million people. Now the next news is World Economic Forum Global Risk Report 21st edition was given. And what does the report say? Short term risk, top risk है geo-economic confrontation, misinformation, disinformation, societal polarization. लॉन्ग टर्म क्या हमारा एक्सट्रीम वेदर इवेंट्स हो रहे हैं, बायोडाइवर्सिटी लॉस हो रहा है, क्रिटिकल चेंज टू अर्थ सिस्टम हो रहा है. और इन इंडिया व्हाट आर द टॉप रिस्क? साइबर इनसिक्योरिटी, इनइक्वालिटी, इनसफिशिएंट पब्लिक सर्विसेज मिल रही है इंडिया में. ठीक है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट न्यूज इज अबाउट जीडीपी फोरकास्ट. एसबीआई की रिसर्च में एसबीआई ने क्या फोरकास्ट किया हमारा जीडीपी ग्रोथ फाइनेंशियल ईयर 27 के लिए? 6.8 to 7.1%. इट इज इंडिया जीडीपी ग्रोथ. Inflation is 4.5% projected, and fiscal deficit is projected as 4.5 to 4.6%. Now this is important, you should write it somewhere. Then the next news is UNESCAP Economic and Social Survey of Asia and the Pacific 2026 has projected the India GDP 2025 में 7.4, 2026 में 6.4 एंड 2027 में 6.6%. एशिया पैसिफिक डेवलपिंग नेशंस का 4.6% 2025 में, 2026 में 4%. एंड 82nd सेशन हेल्ड एट बैंकॉक में 82nd सेशन हेल्ड किया गया है यूएनएसकैप का, जहां पे हेडक्वार्टर है. एंड नेक्स्ट न्यूज इज मूडीज ने इंडिया का जो फोरकास्ट किया है 6.8% से 6% जीडीपी का फोरकास्ट किया है उन लोगों ने, मूडीज ने, क्योंकि जो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट लिंक्ड एनर्जी है, प्राइस प्रेशर वो बढ़ा सकती है. ठीक है. नाउ द डिफेंस न्यूज है हमारी, उसको पढ़ते हैं. डिफेंस न्यूज में क्या क्या है? India's Russia's Relos military logistic pact operationalized. ये क्या अलाउ कर रहा है? Allows deployment of 3,000 troops, 5 warships, 10 aircrafts for 5 years. Russia's ratified in December 2025, implemented from January 12. MHA receives Prajna satellite system DRDO test ADC 150. What is the news? MHA जो है it has received AI enabled satellite imaging system Prajna developed by DRDO Center for Artificial Intelligence and Robotics in Bangalore. DRDO and Indian Navy conducted 4 successful in-flight trials of ADC 150 kg का payload है from P-81 aircraft of Goa coast. Now the next news is Titagarh launches 4 diving support craft for Navy. Now Titagarh Naval System has launched the 4 diving support craft A23 under Make in India. TNSL जो है इस डेवलपिंग शिपयार्ड एट फाल्टा वेस्ट बंगाल 50 एकड़ का कैपेसिटी 12 to 16 वेसल्स एनुअली. नाउ एमओडी साइन हुआ है. एमओडी साइन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स मतलब एमओडी ने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन किया है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ डिफेंस ने फॉर टैंक माइन क्लियरिंग सिस्टम्स. इसमें क्या क्या है न्यूज में कि कितने वर्थ का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट था 975 करोड़ विथ BEML and electro pneumatics and hydraulics India for trawl assembly for T72 and T90 tanks. Also 5,083 crore and was given to 6 ALH MK for Coast Guard, 2,901 to Still missiles for Navy and 2,312 for 8 Dornier, 228 for Coast Guards. Now the next news is India Sri Lanka diving exercise in India Sri Lanka and नेवल डाइविंग जो एक्सरसाइज हुआ है 2026 उसमें क्या न्यूज है कि उसमें INS जो इंडियन नेवल सिस्टम का नील शक पार्टिसिपेट किया था इन कोलंबो. अप्रैल 21 से 27 तक हुआ है ये. इंडियन नेवी हैंडेड ओवर 2 Bhishma cubes, each handling up to 200 emergency cases to Sri Lanka under Arogya Maitri initiative, aligned with Mahasagar vision. Then the next news is India welcomes Japan Defense Export Framework Review. We have reviewed this. MEA welcome Japan's reviews of 3 principles on transfer of defense equipment and technology to strengthen India-Japan security cooperation. Science and technology से related क्या news आई है? जम्मू origin traced to India. ठीक है. A study was done. ठीक है. By whom? Birbal Sahni Institute of Paleosciences and found Syzygium genius of Jamun originated 80 million years ago with India as key center, published in Journal of Paleogeography. Now it is not such important news, but कभी कभी आ जाती है ऐसी न्यूज भी तो आप छोड़ के जाते हो. IIT Ropar launches Annam AI. They have launched an AI Annam called Annam and first integrated agricultural intelligence ecosystem. This is an important news. This is an important news. So star mark it. You can get the PDF from the link given in the description. Includes Swan weather stations, Krishi intelligence call centers, Annam chart engine. The Center of Excellence for in AI for Agriculture was established under 990 crore national initiative. Then agriculture and rural की क्या news है? India's marine export reached record high in financial year 26. What was the reach? 72,300 plus crore, with volume rising to 19.32 lakh metric tons. Frozen ship contributed 47,900 plus crore, over 2/3 earning, and EU showed strongest growth at 37.9%. Now go through these awards once. इसमें से ये वाला important है. ICAR Directorate receives Professor MS Swaminathan Award, and who was the receiver? Srinivasa Rao, Director and VC of ICAR ARI, received the 9th Professor Award. Then Rathi Steel receives Green Pro Eco Label certification. Santosh Kumar was honored with Global Green Icon. गोल्डमैन एनवायरमेंटल प्राइज जो कि 1989 में स्टैब्लिश हुआ है First year all 6 women are winner. एशियन ये नाम है जो जो विन किया है. समृद्धि ग्राम इनिशिएटिव नॉमिनेटेड फॉर WSIS प्राइजेस. लॉरेस वर्ल्ड स्पोर्ट्स 2020 अवार्ड्स 2026 मैड्रिड में हुआ है. जो स्पोर्ट्समैन ऑफ द ईयर कार्लोस. स्पोर्ट्समैन वुमेन ऑफ द ईयर आर्निया सबलेंका. टीम ऑफ द ईयर पेरिस सेंट जर्मेन ब्रेक थ्रू लैंडो नॉरिस F1 UK. एंड कम बैक रॉरी मिल्क्रॉय गोल्फ में. यंग स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन लेमिने यमाल फुटबॉल में. लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट नाडिया. ओके. WAF वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम यंग ग्लोबल रीडर्स में जय शाह को मिला है ICC चेयरमैन. ईशा अंबानी फॉर रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज. सुमित गुप्ता फॉर कॉइन DCX. सुप्रिया पॉल फॉर जॉश टॉक्स एंड अनिकेत देवघर फॉर हक दर्शक. अमीर शर्मा फॉर कापीवा एंड डॉक्टर एमएन क्लिन फर्नांडिस फॉर CHD ग्रुप. ऑस्कर मिले हैं बेस्ट लाइव एक्शन फिल्म टू पीपल एक्सचेंजिंग सलाइवा एंड द सिंगर्स. ओके. एंड इम्पोर्टेंट डेज कौन कौन से. अप्रैल 21 को सिविल सर्विस डेज होता है. अप्रैल 29 को आर्यभट्ट 51st लॉन्च एनिवर्सरी है. अप्रैल 20 को UN चाइनीज लैंग्वेज डे है. अप्रैल 21 को फिर से वर्ल्ड क्रिएटिविटी एंड इनोवेशन डे है जब सिविल सर्विस डे भी है. एंड अप्रैल 2020 को इंटरनेशनल मदर अर्थ डे है एंड द थीम वाज अवर पावर अवर प्लैनेट. एंड अप्रैल 23 को वर्ल्ड बुक एंड कॉपीराइट डे था. ठीक है. एंड UN इंग्लिश डे इज ऑन अप्रैल 23. नेशनल पंचायती राज डे भी था अप्रैल 24 को. दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. दिस डेट इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस फ्रॉम आवर एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव. नाउ स्पोर्ट्स के लिए है. इंडिया फ्रांस लॉन्च अ पैरा एलान फॉर इंक्लूसिव स्पोर्ट्स. French Institute in India and Paralympic Committee of India launches Para Elan, a 3-year initiative for inclusive education through para sports. Arnav Ghosh, India's 95th chess grandmaster, achieved his final GM norm at Bangkok Chess Club Open. Then ISSF Junior World 2026 Cairo, India led medal standings on opening day. And IIT Madras introduces Omega Ball, football variation with 3 teams on circular field with 3 goals. And Tashkent to host 2027 World Para Athletics Championship. This is the 13th edition at Olympic City Main Stadium in June 2027. First time in Uzbekistan and Central Asia. Abhishek Sharma set records for fast IPL सेंचुरीज. मेमोरेंडम ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग बिसिल का हुआ है मिनी रत्न कैटेगरी 1 PSC अंडर मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एंड ब्रॉडकास्टिंग. किसके साथ इन्होंने MOU साइन किया है. CDAC के साथ MOU साइन किया है. C. साइंस MOU फॉर साइबर सिक्योरिटी गेमिफिकेशन प्लेटफॉर्म विथ किसके साथ साइन किया है. जंप ऑटोमेशन LLP अंडर C. कोलैबोरेटिव रिसर्च प्रोग्राम. अपॉइंटमेंट्स कौन कौन से हुए. राकेश भनोत एक्टिंग डायरेक्टर जनरल फॉर CCI कंपटीशन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया. दिनेश त्रिवेदी एज इंडियाज हाई कमिश्नर टू बांग्लादेश. जॉन टर्नर्स न्यू एप्पल CEO एंड रिप्लेस टिम कुक. विद्या पडलकर reappointed as MD and CEO of HDFC Life. This is important for our from our perspective. Shrikant Velamankai appointed as NASSCOM chairperson and Rajesh Kumar Agrawal director finance finance corporation and Vivek Tripathi executive director of AU Small Finance Bank 3-year term RBI has approved. Now this is miscellaneous. Go through this once and these are the practice questions. Which act replaced the Atomic Energy Act? We have studied the Shanti Act. The inaugural BRICS Academic Forum was organized during which edition of BRICS? The 18th edition. Who is the Chancellor of Austria who visited India? Kristen Stocker. We have studied this upar. What is the name of CBI's AI powered chatbot Abhay? In which year was the Coal Control Organization established? 1916. What is the India's projected GDP growth for by SBI? 6.8 to 7.1%. Which company or New Glenn Record failed to build Bluebird 7 satellite in correct orbit? Blue Origin. Which country was the top source of FDI? Singapore. Who received 9th Professor MS Swaminathan Award? Srinivas Rao. of ICR AIRI. Then what eco-label certification did Rathi Steel receive from CII? Green Pro Eco-label. Which year has been designated as India 2028 to 29 Korea Friendship? And where is the headquarter of Global Green Growth Institute? Seoul, South Korea. Which organization developed Prajna Satellite? Center for Artificial Intelligence and Robotics, Bangalore. What is the payload capacity of ADC 150 kgs? Which company launched the four diving support craft A23 in Indian Navy Titagarh Naval System, TNSL? And where is the Petroglyph Conservation Park being established in Leh Ladakh? What percentage of GDP has SBI target for its balance sheet by 2013? 25%. India's projected GDP growth for 2016-2017 as per UNESCAP 6.4 and 6.6. In which year was the Goldman Environmental Prize Institute established? 1989. Who received the Global Green Icon? Santosh Kumar. And which authority regulates online gaming under the PROG Act, Online Gaming Authority of India? What is the first prize of Reels category? 1.5 lakh. Then what is the minimum distance between two sugar means? 25 kilometer, which was 15 kilometer pehle. Around which sanctuary has 408.7 square meter ESZ been proposed? Barasinga Wildlife Sanctuary. This sanctuary has been designated as India's 99th Ramsar site, Shekha Jheel Bird Sanctuary. Whose field of view does the Roman Space Telescope exceeded by 100 times? Hubble Space Telescope. Which was the 7th JGC meeting between India and Bhutan held at April 2026? 7th edition held in Munnar, Kerala. Which bank partnered with Pine Labs to produce POS machines? Karnataka Bank. Which entity was onboarded as a biller on Bharat Connect NBBL Postal Life Insurance? Who is the MD and CEO of Gift City? Sanjay Kaul. What is the theme of IIWW 2026? Climate Resilient Water Management. How many UNESCO World Heritage Sites does India have as of April 2026? 44. In which year was the Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains Act enacted? 1958. Then which company commissioned an alkaline battery plant in Jammu? Eveready Industries India Limited. What is the name of Meghalaya scheme for UPSC aspirant? CM Inspire, जहाँ पे 50,000 मिल रहे हैं और 1 लाख दिए जा रहे हैं, ठीक है, UPSC aspirants को. Which city in Madhya Pradesh was selected in the Safe City project? Dhar. Then where was the RBI Governor's Global Roundtable hosted? In New York. Which constitutional amendment act granted constitutional status to Panchayati Raj Institution 73rd, which was in 1992? Who has been appointed as the chairperson of NASSCOM? Shrikant Velamakkanni. And which article was introduced under the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act? Article 243. Now we have done this. Thank you for joining the class and watching it till the end. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe the channel now. I'll be posting videos today of what I'll study, so you can study with me. So what is the agenda for today? I have told you the agenda for today, that we have done weekly current affairs session. We have done this weekly current affair. I have done these both, so I'll be posting it in 1 to 2 hours. I'll post this in 1 to 2 hours. I'll also be posting question answer of Niti Aayog in short, so keep updated there also. Then I'll study this and post this also. Then thank you. Simple maths and approximation, I'll see if I can post it on shorts. I'll post it on shorts. Puzzle के 5 questions I'll make, so I'll post it here. And basics of computer notes के साथ मैं यहाँ डाल दूंगी. You have to read one comprehension yourself, and analysis I'll post at night. So thank you so much for joining the class. Subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed. I am an NABARD grade A aspirant. I am following a 18-week plan to clear NABARD. If you haven't seen the video of 18-week plan, I'll link it here. See it, and thank you very much.